Introducing the all-new industrial battery connector from Anderson Power Products. Engineered for industry-leading performance, the IBC features an innovative patent-pending design and meets EN 1175, DIN VDE 0623-589, CSA, and UL standards. Designed for flexibility, the IBC is available in standard plug and receptacle configurations, or as an Anderson exclusive panel mount for a unique installation solution. With a maximum current of 450 amps, the IBC is available in 3 sizes: 320 series, 160 series, and 80 series to meet your specific power needs. Our patent-pending modular cartridge design enables easy assembly and disassembly while accommodating 3 different configurations in a single housing. Each configuration is color-coded for quick identification, and the 320 series offers up to 10 auxiliary signals, an industry-leading feature. What sets the IBC apart? Anderson exclusive features, including an auxiliary signal cable strain relief to extend cable life, the temperature sensing accessory monitors for overheating, ensuring stable power transfer and maximizing uptime, and an IP68 accessory kit, providing unmatched protection against dust and water when mated. Choose between a standard handle or an optional latching handle for a secure mechanical connection with reduced effort during disconnection and mating. The IBC also supports industry-standard voltage keys, enhancing safety and compatibility across applications. Let the all-new industrial battery connector from Anderson Power Products be your best connection.